Hello everyone, it's good to have you here with us, and it's great to be here today to introduce two vehicles that are very important to us. Two vehicles from a brand that's contributed greatly to the continuing momentum of GM, both here in the US and abroad. The 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban are more refined, more functional, and safer than ever before. With a broad range of advanced technologies and 360 degrees of safety systems, these SUVs will appeal to two distinct customer groups who want the unique combination of features that only Tahoe or Suburban can provide. Chevrolet has owned this market since 1935. So Suburban was introduced in 1935. We've been the market leader from then until now, with Chevrolet taking 50% of the market today. We look for that Arlington plant to be running 3 shifts, full speed around the clock, producing these vehicles, GMC, Chevrolet, and the Escalade, and meeting the demand of our customers. And obviously that's going to create jobs, be great for the local community. We think that's really a great thing.
We were the first and the most authentic SUV in the marketplace. 1935, for 80 years, we've had 12 generations of Suburban. So we created the space, we've owned it, and the reason we've owned it is because we've created the best combination of power, capability, efficiency for those families that really need to carry a lot of people, a lot of things. And then of course it's our 4th generation of Tahoe, so we're very proud of that. And both of those actually cater to a slightly different customer, and we think we've covered the marketplace. That's why it's giving us market leadership.